What's up, guys? Again, it's another Bofetsu today. Teaching about moment. It's Inyang Enkulu ikhona la ogama linguJesu. Okay. Slow it down. Ihamba indlela yodwa guys, that's it. Bafethu here manje ngoma le. Don't mind me making better lives. F sharp, I'm not that used to, but I'm getting better. You can see now. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, click the notification icon, comment, follow me on Facebook. Bafethu Connie page lalana. I'm uploading videos, but I upload maybe after 2 days or 3 days yabo. Ngiqala ngo-YouTube ngigcina ngo-Facebook, see. So that's it bafethu. Ngokuhamba isikhathi ngizogxila ku-YouTube kuphela, see. Depends ukuthi ngihamba kanjani no-Facebook. In order ukuthi ngikwazi uku-uploada na-Facebook, follow i-page until ize lifike ku-10,000, see. Please guys, subscribe now on YouTube. I need to make more money. then I need to make money. In fact, I'm not making any money. I need to start monetizing. Me kwaqala vele ama adverts ngizokwazi ngizobona ukuthi lapho sesikwazile ukuthi as le channel sesikwazile ukuthi senikwazile siningi support. So kwazi ukuthi sithenge i500 and more things, like learn a lot ngempela keyboard, collaborate with abanye keyboard player abakhulu enibaziyo, who are your role models abo abazokwazi nizwe like ma secrets wabo, izinto beyidlala live, because kuyasiza ukubona into idlalwa live and it's easier than learning through ear yabo. So that's it bafethu. Please subscribe. Please, I hope people are learning bafethu. Go start with my notes yabo, funda my notes, teach yourself, buy some like normal keyboard, play until you know my notes, as you know yourself. Then start with my songs are simple. Khuphuka kancane. You see, you'll get this bafethu. Mnandi keyboard, mnandi lento bafethu. So we are growing bafethu. Peace.